Welcome to FaceReader Online, uploading image files to your project. In your project, go to Media Files and click Upload Image File. Select the image file you want to use for your project. Click Open, then confirm by clicking Yes. You can upload multiple image files if needed. In this example, we'll use 2 images to compare them in an A/B test. Once the conversion status changed to green, you can click Edit Areas. Scroll down and click Add Area. Give your area a name, for example, brand name. Then drag and drop the area of interest onto the image and resize it as needed. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click Save to confirm. You can repeat this process to create multiple areas of interest in your images. Now we have one video stimulus and multiple image stimuli prepared for the same type of analysis, our advertising for pets. You can color the areas of interest any way you like to help organize your analysis. You can still edit the names of your areas of interest, check when each episode starts and ends, or simply review your media files here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.